बनाने के लिए कैमरा ओपन करती हूँ ना, उसी दिन हमारे पूरे लोकेलिटी में सब लोग शोर मचाने लग जाते हैं. दिस इज सो बैड. आई एम गोना क्राई really hard, trust me. So in this video I'm gonna talk about, and I'm seeing this pattern a lot nowadays, that people are really terrified and afraid to be replaced nowadays. And most probably and most importantly, it happens actually with people who are really successful in life, in career, in studies, in relationship. People who are really successful. Failure जो लोग हैं और जो कुछ अभी तक अचीव नहीं किया, उनके लिए तो ये कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. जैसे कि मेरे जैसे लोग, वो तो चिल है सब सिचुएशन में. एक्चुअली उन लोगों के माइंड में क्वेश्चन आते हैं कि अगर दिस साल आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉप इन माई क्लास तो क्या होगा, अगर मैं अपनी कंपनी के बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय ना बन पाऊं तो क्या होगा, अगर माई बॉयफ्रेंड और गर्लफ्रेंड जो भी है वो मुझे रिप्लेस करके किसी और को पसंद कर ले तो क्या होगा. सो या दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन कम्स इन देयर माइंड, एंड आई एग्री, यू नो, आते हैं भाई, लोगों को आते हैं. I am not your best friend. I am not going to say you that you are irreplaceable. You are the best in this entire planet. No. Every human being in this planet, every human being in this planet is replaceable. Okay? So you are replaceable. I am replaceable. This is the truth. This is the fact that you cannot change. I cannot change. Nobody can't change. Okay? And this is the, you know, eternal truth. We have to accept it. What happens when you accept the truth, when you know that you are replaceable, तब magic होता है. Then magic happens. क्या होता है when you accept the truth that you are replaceable? First, you give your 100% whatever you do in your life. You give your 100% in your relationship. You give your 100% in your career, in your studies, in whatever field you are. You give your 100%. Okay? So when you give your 100%, obviously chances जो है वो बहुत ही लेस हो जाती है कि तुम actually replace हो जाओ. And you know that if you do not give your 100%, somebody is going to replace you. Somebody who is better than you, who is hardworking than you are, then obviously that person is going to replace you. You know the fact, you know the truth. So obviously आपका जो fuel है, that fuel is going to increase so high, you have no idea. You are going to give your 100% in whatever you do. Second जो होते हैं, that is that when you know the truth that everyone is replaceable, you know the fact, so you are starting to accept the situation or accept the fact way before it happened with you. Maybe you could be replaced in your life once, or maybe you never have been replaced in your life, and that is the best thing that could ever happen with anyone. But the thing is that you start to accept the fact way before it happened with you. No matter it happened with you or not, इससे आपको कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. You are going to be really less hurt. It is not going to hurt you. You are not going to be terrified, and you have the potential and capability to start over again. Trust me. And at this exact moment, a question arises. That is, I have given my 100%, but still I got rejected. देखो, ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. When we actually give our 100% and we still get rejected, तो इसका मतलब ये obviously है ना कि maybe that thing is not our thing. Maybe the person we are pursuing is not proper enough for us, or the job we are trying to get is not enough, or is not a perfect job for us, or anything. The course that you have been taken and you worked really hard, still that course is not happening for you. Maybe that course is not perfect for you. You have talent in other thing, you have to explore more, maybe that. And when we give our 100% in one field, ये हमारे अंदर की जो confidence है वो बहुत ज़्यादा boost कर देते हैं. We know that if I can give my 100% in one thing, and if I can build anything out of scratch, out of nothing, then we have the potential to build anything again out of nothing. ये जो confident है तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा boost हो जाते हैं. And now the choice is completely yours. That now you can question कि मेरे साथ ही क्यों ऐसा होता है, क्यों मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, क्यों के अंदर तुम रह सकते हो, और you can really get out of that question, that क्यों. Rather you can choose to move on and just know that yeah, you are replaceable. Choose something else and give you 100% again. And you know what, दुनिया में जितने सारे सक्सेसफुल लोग हैं ना, And successful doesn't mean that who are earning a lot of money. No, not like that. Successful means who is doing great whatever field they are in. जितने भी successful लोग हैं, they lived their life, or they live their life based on hurt, bitter truth, and that is the reason they are successful. Trust me. This is today's video. I hope you like this video. I know you like this video. It is going to help a lot of people, I know. So, ta-da, bye, love you.